everyone. I'm Nicolas Morphitis. I'm the Chief Revenue Officer at NRDX. Obviously, as a fintech company, we're always trying to be in front of the technology side in regards to how we can stand up front of the markets to find new trends, how to improve, and how to build up, a nice user-friendly experience for our clients and to our partners of the company. So, to continue, everything has to do with the future of the retail broker. In our opinion, we want to give the additional options that one client and one partner should have. So mainly, the traditional trading was through the phone. Everyone was making phone calls to have, let's say, their forex, their stocks, and so on and so forth. Then everything was shifted into international, being on the platforms, having the possibilities of trading on CFDs and so on. Our job now, the way that we see stuff and what we understand from the markets and the market trends, is that we want to give the opportunity to the clients of ours to actually own real stocks, to have the experience of having real stocks, in order for them to be able to custodize the stocks and have them as their wallet, as their own stocks for long-term investment. Because we do understand that based on each and every one's strategy, they have the opportunity to invest short-term, they want to invest long-term, but someone that wants to invest long-term, we give them the opportunity with thousands of options of real stocks for their own custody, for their own opportunity for long-term investments. Additionally, in regards to the smart access that we have available in the company, as I said before, we are a fintech company. We are always thinking upfront. We think with the technology, and something that we always want to offer to everyone is the technology behind that. And by technology, I mean the option of fast onboarding process, smooth, simple, and user-friendly experience in regards to our platform, because we have our own web traders, so someone can come in, get all the information with one click of a button. Now, what's next? Something that we are looking into as a company, and something that we are more than happy to do so. And based on the trends and based on our analysis, we've seen that, once again, the ownership of stocks is key. Additionally, is the AI. Something that we are trying to embed into our systems is AI. AI tools, customized tools for our clients, various options in regards to our supporting system, and at the same time, the banking services. We have in our strategy long-term, it's an ongoing process, an ongoing project. We have two projects now that we're looking into. It's in regards to the crypto exchange offers, and at the same time, to look into further the banking, so we can have a complete offer to our clients for them to be able to have their funds, to have their stocks, and to be able to trade long-term or short-term based on their needs and trading style. So from the execution to empowerment, the demand for true ownership is growing. We've seen that many individuals, many people, especially in the Middle East, they're coming, they're asking about stocks, they're interested about stocks and about cryptocurrencies, and that's why we, as a company, looking into how we can expand, how we can give the best experience to everyone, and we do understand that this is demanding. This is something that gives everyone the opportunity to build their own portfolio and look into the long term, which they can do as individuals. They can also do it through copy trading, through our AI traders, or from our professional traders, which is real individuals. It's based on everyone's strategy, based on the risk appetite of everyone. They can decide how they can proceed. At the same time, we do understand that transparency is key. So any information you want to know, you want to understand, or the information that you want to get, you can find everything on our website. You can find all the information from our support team, from our AI, and so on and so forth. Excuse me. Now, not to stop the idea of CFDs. Yes, we are focusing. Yes, we are building our reputation as a real stocks broker. At the same time, we want to keep the business flowing. We want to have people that are interested in more short-term trading, and that's why CFDs, we do understand, is essential. We do understand there's a lot of partners that are focusing on CFDs, and that's why we want to give everyone the opportunity to proceed as they wish for them to be able to be successful on their trading experience. Now to differentiate the two groups, the option of owning real stocks, real shares, and owning CFDs. Firstly, on the one side, on the left-hand side, you can see the direct ownership of real stocks, which gives you the opportunity to own the stocks, have them in your own portfolio. Again, the regulatory custody of actually having back the regulation in front of you in your own advantage and so on, and for you to actually custodize the experience that you have as a client. At the same time, you see that the long-term wealth strategies are the strategies that everyone is looking into when trading stocks, and that's why we give you this opportunity, because we do understand that long-term plan investment is key. On the right-hand side, you can see the opportunities, the benefits that are trading with CFDs, which is the tactical opportunities, which gives you the opportunity to trade in smaller amounts. It gives you the higher leverage. It gives you multiple different strategies to enter and penetrate, different markets on the click of a button. Now, we do understand that CFD traders, there's many categories, and one of the categories is the short-term traders, and that's why many people, focus on the short-term trading, day-to-day traders, so they can get the feeling of opening, closing positions on a daily basis, looking into their possibilities and to their available options, plus having the opportunity through the leverage to understand the risk appetite, how far they can take their trading with their stop loss, with their take profit positioning and strategies. And through our user-friendly platform, obviously you have the opportunity with a click of a button, as I said before, which is something very, very important for us, because you can have both under the same platform, either our MT5, either our own WebTrader platform. To move ahead, based on what we've seen, what we understand and what we believe is the AI-driven personalization. So every client has different strategies, different appetite in regards to their stocks, in regards to the different assets, let's put it that way, that they prefer to be trading on. So in our platform, we have embedded AI systems to advise you, based on what you need, how you need it, based on your experience and based on what you as a client prefer to have into your portfolio. And we're going to be assisting you through AI to get a better understanding on what opportunities you have in front of you. Obviously, as we have seen and what we understood based on your experience so far into your trading activities. At the same time, the regulatory tech and real-time compliance is key for us, because regulations are key. It's something that we do understand, is something that we are working heavily on our compliance system, and that's why we have a real-time compliance to be checking the KYC, to have the opportunities in front of everyone, to onboard, have a smooth process into our system, and at the same time to be fully compliant with every region available. Now, something additional that we see that the future holds is the demand for new asset classes. And what do I mean by that is crypto options. Crypto options is something, as I said before, is one of our projects to be able to be a crypto exchange company as well. So we can give the opportunity to someone, to have a different class asset, cryptos, to own actually cryptos for your own portfolio rather than being trading on CFDs, which that's an additional option as well. So we want to give multiple options to people to choose from and get all the benefits that they can. At the same time, something else that we have in place, which we do understand it might be for, smaller clients in regards to age, that they're more on their mobile phones and so on and so forth. We give them the fractional option. So if you don't have, the amount that is needed for, as an example, to buy X amount of stocks, you can also have the opportunity to get fractional stocks, so with less amount and so on. So we give you the opportunity to grow a portfolio with a fraction of that stock. Thank you so much, everyone, for your time. and hope to enjoy the expo.